The King's Portrait. Once there was a kingdom ruled by a kind king. But the king had only one leg and one eye. His palace had beautiful portraits of his ancestors. The kind king wanted a beautiful portrait of his too. But he felt that no one could make his portrait beautiful. One day, the king announced a big reward for making his portrait. But no one came forward to draw the portrait. The king was disheartened. Finally, an old painter agreed to make his portrait. The old painter drew the king's portrait. The king was anxious, and so were the courtiers. Everyone in the palace was curious. When the old painter revealed the portrait, everyone was amazed. The king was sitting on a horse, showing only one leg. His one eye was closed while aiming the arrow. The overwhelmed king rewarded the old painter. Moral of the story: look at the positive side of every situation.